Hey, it's Midnight Raven. Today I'm going to do a Wish app tutorial kind of thing, trying to go through how you use the Wish app and how you can benefit from the Wish app by getting discounts and stuff like that. If you haven't already, check out my Wish for what I did. It was the first one I've done, and I'm very happy with most of the items I got, apart from maybe the poster. If you look at that video, you'll know why. So basically, the Wish app will comes on your tablet, your laptop, or your phone. And it kind of looks like this when you get it. You go to the browse menu, and in the browse menu, you will see all the links that you need. You've got your browse, you've got your search, your notifications, your shopping cart, your order history, the rewards, which I will go through. You can refer a friend to get 10 to 50% off their first order and everything else. So the browse one basically looks like this. You've got items that say outlet, which are more expensive. You've got latest. You've got the spinny wheel, which you get to do every day, which gives you a dash worth of things depending on the spinning of the wheel. So you'll get like 50 items that are at that certain price, and you only get 10 minutes to buy them, but you get that every day. At the minute, they've got their Black Friday page, which will obviously disappear. You've got the fast track ones, which you can get within like 3 to 5 days. There are a select few items. And then you get all your sections. So you've got home and decor, fashion, accessories, hobbies, wallets and bags, tops, makeup and beauty, baby and kids, gadgets, phone upgrades, underwear, shoes, bottoms, as in trousers, watches, and jewellery. So you can browse them at your leisure, and you will see the items say free. That one that said free, but if we click on that one item, and I'll just give you an idea. This one says that it's free. This one is the wrong one. It's this one. Click on the right one. So it says that it's free here. See? Free. But if you go down to here, and you've got shipping, the item is actually £3 postage to shipping. So the item itself is not free, it's actually £3. When you go to your basket, do check the shipping, because if you click on that item and think it's free, get to your basket, you haven't checked the shipping cost, you could get a shock. Because some items that look like they're free will then cost you £10 or £15 to think, and then you'll end up with a basket with hundreds of pounds in, and you thought most of them were free. So on the actual product, you will get reviews, whether they're too small, just right, and customers' reviews. You'll get the shipping. You get a thing that gives you more details about the item, and you can actually look at the information about the store owner as well. It also gives you a percentage rating for the store as well. This person's got 92% positive feedback. You can visit the store and you can read all the ratings as well. And obviously, you get the star ratings from people, which really help as well. You can also like the item here, and it will go into a wish list, which you can then keep and go back to. Or you can use the other bit next to it where you can share it to your friends on your Twitter, your Facebook, and all that. Then we come down, it has a search bar, and then you have notification bar. So the notification bar will tell you whether your order's been dispatched, processed, whereabouts it is as well, and it tells you any of the rewards you've got, which we'll go through in a minute. Then you have to get to your shopping cart, and then you go to your order history. So your order history will give you an idea of when your item will arrive. It's not guaranteed to arrive on that date. Some of my items that are meant to be in a week or two have actually already arrived. So I think it's all to do with customs, how quickly it gets through customs. So I will show you an example. I've currently ordered this item, and at the minute it says that it's been shipped. See there? And then you've got where's my package, contact support, or rate. So when it comes back, you can rate it. At the minute, it says it'll arrive by the 31st of December. And then it tells you that the shipping date of when you bought it was the 23rd of November. So it should take 4 weeks. Some of my stuff has already arrived. It should take 4 weeks. I think it all depends how quickly customs get it, how quickly it gets posted, how quickly it moves through. Then you come to the really good bit, which is the rewards. So, like I said, for every review you do on each item, you get 10 points. And then at the minute, this is me. I have level 10, 170 points. And at the minute, I have 215 pence off, and I have a 15%. The 15% came because I'm now a level 10. For every order you then place and it gets processed, you get reward points, which then accumulate, and then you can go up a level and you get more percentage off. The little ones down here are where you take an item that has a blue bar. If I can find one, I will. Let's see if we can find an item. Basically, if you purchase an item that somebody else is buying, in the next like 48 hours, you then get a discount on your item. Click on it and we will see if we can find it. And then I can show you what I mean. So, no, that one doesn't have one. So, Wish is a really good app, so I've had so far. So here we go. So this item, which is a cat case, I can't show you the cat case because it's currently swearing, but down here is a blue bar. See here? So the item itself is £1.80 and the shipping is a quid. But select the blue buy button to let other shoppers buy with you. Check out now and pay the full price of £1.80 and get 15 pence rebate as a gift card if anyone buys your item. Basically, if anyone else buys the same item as you in the next 48 hours and you pay the full £1.80 price, you then get a rebate of 15 pence for every person that then buys it, and then that then comes off your next order. So if you bought loads of items that other people have, you can accumulate loads, and then you buy it, and then someone else buys the same as you. You then get 15 points. So it can accumulate. So far I've had quite a few where I've bought the same as somebody else, and at the minute, obviously being a level 10, I've now got a 15% off when I go to my thing, and obviously I've got two 15s as well. Then you get the 50% off. Get up and give up to 50% off. Give a friend 50% off and get up to 50% off your next order after their first purchase. So you use that code, and for everyone that uses that, they will get 50% off their first order. So your first order, if you've never shopped at Wish before, and then I would then get 50% off my first order when they first purchase their first lot of shopping. So it's like a reward system. Then you've got Shop More, which is more apps that they advise. You've got Geek, Mama, Cute, and Home, which are all other apps that are connected with Wish. Then you get Customer Support, which I haven't had to use yet, which is good. Then you have a section of frequently asked questions if you have any queries or anything you want to know there. So you've got things like the shipping, the delivery, the payments, and anything else. And then you've just got your settings and that. But at the minute, I'm currently waiting on about maybe 50 items that I've purchased. I literally sat there one night and just bought loads. I said earlier that you could set up a wish list. Basically, you go into your profile, and in my profile, you will find that I have two wish lists at the minute. One is for me, and one is for my son. So you basically click on the heart that was on the item, and that will put it through to a wish list, which you can then keep. And then if the item does then go out of stock, they then tell you. But you can keep it there. My boy's put a couple of bits there that he'd like for Christmas. So it's a good way of, if you sit there and you're bored one night and you're like, I can't afford much, and you go through and you find some items that may be a bit more pricey, you can keep them on there, and then you can come back to it at a later date. But then if they go out of stock, they do tell you. So that is the Wish app in a kind of a nutshell. I could go into loads more detail, but that's the basis of the Wish app. It's basically a cheap online store. If you haven't already, if you want to see the items I bought to get an idea of it, you should check out my Wish haul, which I've just loaded. It'll be my first one, although I have previously ordered from Wish. I bought one item before and it didn't go very well, so I was kind of put off. But I've been watching The Bonnie Life and Owls and Unicorns, two very good sites, YouTube sites, which have actually done loads of Wish hauls. They've got like 20 or 30 each of them. They've been Wish hauling for ages, and I'm just getting into it. So if you check out their channels as well, I will put them down below. And tell them that I sent you over there. Would be nice. So if you haven't already, like, subscribe to my channel. Check out my Wish haul if you want to know more. I will write some of the stuff down below as well, just a brief outline of where to get the Wish haul and stuff like that. Like, subscribe to my channel. Comment down below if you use the Wish app and how your experience was. And I'll see you very soon for another video. Bye!